Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks, part 2 of this. A couple of things I didn't think about in one, then I thought of something else. If we grab the white layer and we go to Effects, because I didn't think about blurring these. Of course, that's way too much blur. But it makes it look so much better than if we grab the black and do the exact same thing. It's going to make it really look like, going to make it look a lot better. It's going to make it look like an airbrush effect. Now, the other thing I thought of, and I'm a laser engraver, so I don't get to play with the blur too much, but we're going to make a circle there. And of course, I draw in red, so it's invisible. We're going to do it a couple of different ways and just kind of let this gentleman pick which blur he wants to use. We're going to go ahead and go, I should have made a copy after I did the artistic media tool. And we're going to bump that up a little bit. That doesn't look too bad. So I'm making 3 artistic media tools, shape, but I'm going to blur them different. Well, I must not, you know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to delete that or make a calculator out of it. I'm just going to hit plus on the keyboard. And of course, I should have break it. You need to always go to Object and break the artistic media apart, because if you don't, it's going to be in the way. And if you accidentally cut something, so I'm going to just delete these and just make a duplicate of this. Of course, let me make it blue first, kind of make it look like the graphic. I'm making 3. I only can really, well, there is a bunch of different blurs. So we're going to do the first one with the Gaussian blur. Okay, maybe go a little bit more. We're going to do the second one under Effects and Blur, but we're going to motion blur. Not much different, but it's going to give it, you know, you can really play with this. There is a difference. I mean, if you look at them side by side, this has more of a blur outside. Let's try one more. Like I said, I don't get to play with these very much. I only get to play with them when I'm trying to figure out and help somebody. Let's go with feather. See, it gives it a little bit different look. I mean, you can make it actually disappear. So just kind of play with that. You know, look, there's a Gaussian blur in this effect. You know, just give it, you might want to like double up those lines. Let's do that and say okay, and then make a duplicate of it and put another one, you know, down there to kind of give it an airbrush look. I like that. So look at the difference of my blur of the 2 colors. I don't think we can blur this fountain fill. It'll tell us in just a second. Yes, you can. Now that's probably too much and it's actually taking some color away, but he's trying to get the effect that somebody airbrushed it along these lines. And then of course, we could bring in our star. Not real proud of the star, but and maybe I should have worked on that more. Anyway, I hope that gave him some ideas, and thank you for watching.